Yeah, this is the first opening that we have, which is as a trainee cybersecurity. Probably you need to provide a training. This is the URL, and freshers can apply. So guys, those who are freshers, please do apply for this job role, right? 4th of May is the date on which you need to interview, right? And this is a MNC kind of company. Name is BC Buzz and URL is bcbuzz.io, and this is the QR code, right? So just scan it out, apply for this company, and cyberexperts.org also the company name. So they're hiring for 2025 freshers graduate. So just do apply, right? Next one is SOC. 3+ years of experience is required. Um they are the responsibilities which will be assigned to you, and this is skills that is required. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume to get a job. Now Wipro is also in the race. They're hiring for a lot of peoples, right? First thing is, here you can see there's a lot of opening, right? Notice period is कितने दिन के अंदर आपको वो करना है. Minimum years of experience is very large. The salary is good, like 7 years experience, 26 LP is good, right? This is the mail ID on which you need to apply for the role, and this is what you need to fill in the mail, right? Next one is GRC manager, which is for the bank in Abu Dhabi, right? 500 to 500 AED will be the amount, and cyberfuse.com is the mail on which you need to provide it. Right. Next one is associate DLP, which is Pune. 5 to 6 years of experience is required. This is the skills which is important. This is a mail ID, which is a persistent. Persistent is a good company. You can look for a lot of positions. So just apply there, right? You can do again SOC. 3+ years of experience required. US shift remote, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. And there are a couple of skills which is required, and these are responsibility which will be assigned to you. Next is Avanta Tech. They're hiring for the US client, right? This is the mail ID. 3 mail ID on सब पे कर दो भाई, कोई तो खुद select कर ही लेगा. So 10 to 2 years experience is required. 6 to 8 for Splunk. Cybersecurity experience, 2 to 3 years of experience is required. Web application pen testing, mobile application pen testing, network application pen testing is required. And this is the mail ID on which you need to drop your resume, and email is what you can see on the screen, right? This is what you need to mention in the mail. VAPTA specialist, 1 to 2 years of experience is required, right? Candidate must have relevant knowledge, and interested candidate can send their resume to this one, careers and resume.r. Next one is again SOC analyst, SOC manager role, L1, L2, L3, which is Kurla, work from office, 30-day immediate joining. Okay, so there are skills which is required, and if you're interested, you can drop a mail by this one. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching.